good news about Jesus has come to John chapter 10 from verse 22 to verse 42. The Jew people them no believe in a Jesus. The holiday when the Jew people them remember the time when God house did dedicate back to him, they come at Jerusalem. I did the cold season and Jesus did a walk around God's house area, pan Solomon porch. The Jew leader them bungle around him and say, how long you plan to keep things from week and have we a wonder? If you are the Christ, just say it plain and straight. So Jesus said to them, say, me tell you no already, but you no believe. There's something them when me do, cause my father tell me to do them. Them show no who me be. But you no make up in your mind for no believe, cause you no for me sheep. For me sheep, them listen to what me say. Me know them and them follow back at me. Me make them can live forever and they nah go dead. Nobody nah go grab and take them out of me hand. My father will give me all of them. Him bigger than everybody. Nobody can grab and take them out of my father hand. Me and the father are one and the same. So the Jew leader them pick up rock stone for stone him one at a time. But Jesus said to them, say, me do enough powerful sitting when my father tell me to do in front of una eye. And which one of them una stone me for? We not stone you for none of them sitting there. Then said to him, we're going to stone you because of how you disrespect God. You are only one man and you are talk about say you are God. So Jesus answered them and say, I know in a phone law book it write down say, God say. Me tell you no say uno are God. No. We know say what write down in a God word always true. So now, if God did say the people them when him did a talk to them time there are God, we make uno say you disrespect God to the one where God pick and send in the world. We make uno say me disrespect God can me say me a God boy pick me. If me not do what my father want me to do, then no believe me. But if me do him tell me to do, don't no believe me sake of what me tell you no. At least believe me sake of the miracle them what me do. So that you can know and understand say the Father in me and me in the Father. Then them try to hold him and lock him up one more time, but him get away from them. Him go back across Jordan River for go to the place where John did baptize people in the earlier day them. Him stand there and not gone away after he reached there. Whole heap of people come to him and them say, though John ain't do not even one miracle, all of them did say about the man ya, I did true. And whole heap of people where did cross Jordan River believe in him. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.